Hey everyone, so I wanted to go over a quick unboxing and a subsequent install on the Deluxe HAV4 Angel Eye LED kit that just came in for the M3. Um, Most of the install will happen over pictures, so after this post you guys will see some of the pictures of the install. But I wanted to kind of quickly compare this to another LED kit that I did have. One of the reasons I went with the V4 was one, I picked up the car a couple weeks ago, but two, everyone, or a lot of the rumors behind it were that for the most part they had cleaned up their, the V4 was really a much better finished product from build quality perspective, and it's definitely pretty evident. You could tell by some of the components that they're using, the gauge of the cabling, the heat shrink on the units, even the quality of the switches. Um, the harnesses seem to be better compared to, again, I've never seen a V3 kit, but compared to some of the pictures that I've seen for the other installs. There's some weather sealing on these cablings, which is something that everyone complained about on the V3, or not complained about, but just noticed about the build quality. And you can see the actual LED head right there. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that. But the kit I'm actually comparing it to is, when I picked up the car, I was a little gung-ho about changing those LEDs really quickly, and locally, if you guys have seen some of my other threads where I complained about these, I picked these up locally on Craigslist here in Miami, and from what I can tell, the guy who sold them didn't really know much about them, but from the heat sink and from the housing on the LED, the markings on the LEDs, these appear to be Cree. It's a Cree LED kit. It's their version 1. If you look on E92 lighting, they pretty much sell these retail for about 89, either 79 or 89. And I did get a chance to install those. I'll post pictures. I'll kind of show well, pictures when this car is done, but I'll actually show pictures of when I did have these installed in the car and how well they looked, both indoor in the shade and also in full sunlight, to kind of give you a little bit of a sanity check on what exactly maybe you're buying or what you're getting for the almost 3 times increase in price over this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get into the install now. I've got the manual pulled up on their site, so I should be able to get everything installed pretty quickly. I went through those not too long ago, so it shouldn't be too difficult now. Again, it was just a quick clip, so the rest of the install will be pictures, and you guys will see that in a couple minutes. Once I'm done, I'll pull the car outside, and it's just finished raining here in South Florida, so but it's still pretty sunny. But I'll pull the car out and see how much sunlight I can get on it, and take some outdoor pictures as well as some pictures here inside the garage to kind of get an idea of what it looked like, and then as well compare to this LED kit, which is probably going to get thrown out or donated on forums. Alright guys, thanks for watching.